Okay, it's time for another unpackaging video. I've got a bunch of packages here with fidget spinners in them, I think, in most of them. And I'm just going to sit here and open them up and take a look at them until I've got enough for the next video. We'll start with this one. Big package with another one of these raindrop ones. I got this one, I think this is from Dubel. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah, this is Dubel. These are the same ones who make the brass hammer spinner. I wanted to check this one out of theirs. And these are loose, of course. So that is pretty heavy. A little bit of a finger grabber like the other one that was like this. Quite a bit of a finger grabber. But it's heavier. So I'm going to take a look at that one. I'm going to open this one up. These all come from eBay, by the way. VCEDC. TRITNV. I can't read that. Oh, it comes with an extra bearing. Well, that's interesting. I haven't had one like this before. It's got wide caps on it. Doesn't feel that great to begin with. Well, we'll see how it goes though. So we'll set that one aside for the moment. And go on to the next one. And here we have a box with from R2 Designs. All right. R2 Designs. Jammed in there pretty good. There we go. This is also a very interesting design. I'm not quite sure what that's supposed to be, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, that one feels pretty nice. I like that. So that'll be one of the ones we review. And I'll go to the next one. What does that say? Fidget spinner exoset. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Nice heavy brass machined spinner. That's good. A little noisy. That should be an interesting one to review. Let's go on to the next one. I have a box here. And if you're wondering what all the background noise is, they're shooting off fireworks. It is the 4th of July, and I'm opening fidget spinners instead of watching fireworks. Got a box with some paper in it. And inside that we have a Ziploc bag. And inside that we have a box. And inside that we have this little copper fidget spinner. These are on eBay right now. You can get these. It's pretty nice. It's pretty much a straight, flat bar of copper. It's got little designs printed on it. And the cap has little designs etched into it, so you get little circles off the button. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty cool. Alright, we'll go with that one. Well, let's go to the next one. I have a little tiny envelope. This is probably not a fidget spinner, so I'm going to see what it is. Oh, this is a fidget spinner. It's a very tiny little fidget spinner. I don't even think I'm going to be able to test that one. It's very tiny. Got to play with it though. That is the tiniest little thing. Wonder what kind of bearing it has on it. It spins pretty good. That's crazy. That's crazy how small that is. I'll try to figure out some way to test it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. It's just so small. It's not going to fit in my contraption that well. But let's get to the next one. This one's kind of heavy. And it's in a generic case. Oh God, another one of these things. How many of these did I order? I don't know why I ordered them so much, especially since I didn't really like the first one. I don't remember ordering a brass one, but that's a brass one. And that's uneven and it's wobbly. That is kind of strange. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how that one goes. And on to the next package. Oh man, I thought that one was never going to show up. This has 5 arms. I think this is a cheapo. Feels pretty good. All right. On to the next one. And we have a can in plastic. And it says on the bottom, MG Mulgore. And this is machined brass. It's from Mulgore is the name of the company, and the button is loose. Little tri-spinner, which seems to rattle a lot. Makes an interesting pattern. Well, we'll see how that one goes. Next package. In another generic case. Okay. Another small spinner. Seems to work okay. Unusual design. Yeah, feels interesting. We can test that one out. Let's go to the next package. Oh, this is different. We have a taped up package inside another package. Not sure how I'm going to get into this one. Well, since I know you've got all the time in the world, I'll just take my time opening this up. Inside that we have a box that has cardboard around it, and we finally get to the box. And what do we have? Oh, it opens like that. Oh, it's Batman. It's the Batman spinner. Kind of Batman. It's not really Batman. It's just a kind of a bat. They packaged it up quite a bit. Whoa! Packaged it up quite a bit. Feels kind of strange. It kind of rubs on your finger a bit. Those two little points there are not terribly comfortable. But we can test that one out. Everything's turning out to be brass. Well, that sounds strange. What are we hitting here? I don't know what this is hitting, but it's making some noise. Alright, forget that one. Let's go on to the next. And we have a package. Inside the package is a box. Let's just tear our way into the box. Inside the box we have bubble wrap. And inside the bubble wrap we have a box again. If I can get to it. One of these little, it's a nice box, little bamboo box with a little clip on it. Oh, this is that Evo one. Yeah. So this could be an interesting one. Funny when you look on eBay, it shows you which ones are delivered and which ones aren't. But a lot of times the post office will deliver stuff to you and they don't check it off, so it still looks like it's not delivered. This one here is still showing on eBay as having not been delivered, but obviously it has been delivered. And this has this is spring loaded. It has little springs inside of it, so you can do that. And it has a little spinner on the end, and the whole body is a spinner. Which feels so-so. I think the button's loose. Yeah, the caps are loose. Okay. This one cost a bit of money. I can't remember how much it cost, but it cost a bit of money. It's interesting. Click, click, click. It's unusual. Okay, well, that's that. Go on to the next. And we have a box that's all wrapped up in stuff, and it looks like it's from China. Let's see if I can find a quick way in here. Okay, we have this package inside that and a little cloth outside. Let's see what's in here. A box. Oh, I don't know how to say that. Fegvi or Fed? Yes, it's got to be Fegvi or something like that, or Fegva. I don't know. Been waiting on these for a while. Let's see which one we have. We have a key. We have an extra bearing, which looks like probably a 606. Oh. Well, that's very attractive. It's got that little laser-etched Maya pattern carved into it. Oh, it sounds nice. Feels nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay. Let me collect up all the stuff that goes with it. And we'll get on to the next one. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can do a few more. And we have paper. People love to wrap stuff up excessively. I don't know why they do that. Oh, this is from Legacy. Again, I did one of these not too long ago. Oh, this is the brass version of the Legacy. Okay, I'll be happy to test this one out. If I can open it. Yeah, I think I had the stainless steel version before. A couple of videos ago I tested it. Yeah, that's nice. That's a good one to have in here for testing. Okay, comes with an extra bearing. And then let's open another one. Expert Express from San Benito Street, Hayward, California. It's a big, feels like a big can in here. And it is a big can. Oh, geez. What is this? Big ball. I have no idea what this is about. I can't remember. I think I remember ordering this. I can't quite remember. Oh, wow. So all of these six sides seem to spin. Well, that's really interesting. I have no idea how I'm going to test that. I don't think I'm going to be able to. But we'll just set this one aside. I don't know if I'm going to be able to test that one at all. Let's go to the next one. I got a little package here. And paper inside. All wrapped up excessively. And inside we have plastic. Oh my God. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, this is one I got off eBay that it's all aluminum, milled aluminum, and it's got a bunch of steel ball bearings in it. It's much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Well, perfectly good for testing. Okay. Let's go to the next package. Oh, this is the Aeroship. It's the same thing I just tested, but this one's probably from a different company. It's probably this different company selling the same thing. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, this is the same thing, but a different color than the one I had. No, it's actually not a different color. It's the same color. So it's the same thing. So this one I'm not going to test again. We're just going to put that one aside. Got our first reject. And here's one from China. As the fireworks go crazy. Another one from Fegv. Hard to get into, okay, because it's taped closed. Oh, that's this design. Another nice one. They're very attractive. That's nice. So let me set that one aside. Let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus the ball. Let me see how many packages I have left here. I have 2 more packages, so I'm just going to open them up. I have 2 packages in this bag of packages. Oh, Feel Thrill, Shuriken Premium Fidget Spinner. Whoa, and I dropped that one on the floor. Let's see if I can get to it. Oh, and this one is one of these little 3-arm spinners that I'm collecting up for a different thing I'm going to do later. So this one's going to get set aside for right now, even though it's pretty nice. I'm going to set that one aside for something else I'm going to do. So that one doesn't count. And the last package. In this we have bubble wrap with a bunch of tape. And inside that we have a plastic bag. I don't know why people are possessed to package things over and over and over again, making it difficult to get to them. And inside there we have a pouch. And inside the pouch, oh, we have a plastic bag again with this 6-arm spinner in it. Looks interesting. Has 6 fairly large ball bearings for weight. Feels pretty good. I think it costs some money too. But I don't know who it's from. I'll find out. So what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 of them plus this little tiny one plus this ball. That's going to make our next couple of videos. Probably 2 more. And we'll see how they go, but first I'm going to do initial testing on them. Run each one just one time in the air compressor test and see if they have something like a decent spin time. If they have a decent spin time, I'll go ahead and test them fully. If they're just junk, I'll just reject them and put them in the loser video, which is probably the video that'll be coming next. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.